This week, the I-Team learned that at least 9,300 tons of coal ash is sitting on the ocean floor near Hanna Park in Atlantic Beach. In March, a barge from Puerto Rico crashed into the jetties. Local environmentalist groups say it highlights a much bigger problem. Joining me now are Nicole de Venoge from the Surfrider Foundation and Jimmy Orth from St. John's Riverkeeper. Thank you both so much for being with us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Glad to be here.
And Jimmy, I want to start with you. What concerns do you have right now about this when it comes to an environmental aspect of it?
Well, the problem with coal ash is there is a lot of contaminants within that ash that could be harmful to the environment. The coal ash contains things like mercury, lead, selenium, chromium. So there's a lot of really toxic chemicals that we have concerns about potentially entering into the food chain. So as the zooplankton and the phytoplankton consume this ash potentially, it moves up the food chain, eventually into the fish that we eat that come into the St. John's River.
And Nicole, what concerns does the Surfrider Foundation have about this?
So really our concern is that no matter how this contaminant is classified, there was a discharge of pollutants into the ocean at the Poles, which is in Mayport. It's one of the most popular surf spots. We have people recreating in it, swimming in it. We don't know exactly what it is. And clearly when there's a discharge, that is a violation of the Clean Waters Act. We would like our leaders, as well as the Florida DEP and the EPA, to bring an enforcement action against the responsible parties for this violation. We also have great concern that it sat out here for months. I have been calling for months with some transparency on this. And despite the fact that it was spewing contaminants, however they're classified, we are all literally swimming, breathing. When you're surfing, it's obviously going up into your nose, your mouth, and so on, without any kind of warning or any kind of health alert or any kind of transparency. I'm very, very concerned that this isn't just the only incident. We have many barges coming through. And then as an aside, it's also hurricane season. So, you know, we've got a lot of things that we're asking our leaders to take some looks at, and we would like to have some say over what's coming through our ports and into our ocean breaks.
And why doesn't the Environmental Protection Agency consider this hazardous?
It's a great question. There's tons of research out there. In fact, this has been banned in other places, including Puerto Rico, which is demonstrating and asking that this be removed within 180 days because of its toxicity. And you can just go ahead and look online and pull up coal ash to see exactly what's in it. There have been terrible cases across the United States, including in Tennessee. If you look at some of the historical incidents, thyroid cancers, all kinds of different toxicities that have gone and leached into our groundwater through some of the disposal sites. These coal ash facilities do not have proper lining in them. And I don't know why the EPA has taken so long to change the classification, because the science is there.
And Jimmy, what is being done to bring awareness to this problem?
Well, it's a huge problem that exists throughout the country. I mean, coal ash has been a problem in the way that it's not only, obviously, it's the byproduct of burning of fossil fuels of coal. And one of the problems is we need to move away from burning coal and looking to renewable sources so we can address this problem at its source and eliminate the problem to begin with. And then we have problems with the way it's stored. Obviously, there's problems that a lot of this is stored in unlined landfills. And so, as Nicole mentioned, it can leach into the groundwater. And obviously, you know, it's an issue that communities like Puerto Rico said, no, we don't want this coal ash next to where we live. And so it was banned. And that is the reason, by the way, it is coming through our port in Jacksonville, is because they have banned the storage and the landfilling of coal ash on the island. And now it is actually coming in through the St. John's River into the port and then being trucked to a landfill in Georgia. So we are unfortunately experiencing the risk associated with these toxins because another community doesn't want it, yet we're having to bear the brunt of the potential problems that it can cause, as we see with this spill. And this is a problem with many issues with pollution, where we kind of export it to other communities and we're not dealing with the problem at its source and trying to eliminate the problem to begin with.
Jimmy and Nicole, thank you both for being with us this morning.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.